Targus Energy currently has a grant from the US Department of Energy, as well as a private company that is contributing to this grant, both of which together allow us to perform an extended testing campaign at the Canadian National Research Council's ocean testing facilities in St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. These scales are the largest tests to date that Targus has performed. These tests basically are the last step for us that we perform in a lab-type setting with a wave tank facility before we are heading out to the open ocean trials. The 15-scale tests in St. John's really are testing a model that has been scaled from a full-scale design that we have for the open ocean prototype and test that at a 15th of its size in the wave tank facilities. And the ocean engineering community has established means on how you can basically estimate the performance of the device at full scale based on these small-scale experiments, which in the end allow us to predict how much power we will be producing and also determine to what structural loads the device will be exposed once it's out in the open ocean. So we are performing tests there to determine the power production. We are also performing tests to test cases that are very hard to do in the open ocean. For example, a 100-year storm comes by, statistically speaking, every 100 years. In a wave tank facility, we can actually produce one every 5 minutes if we want to. So we are utilizing the scale tests to basically put the device through its entire life cycle, from deployment through installation, operation, maintenance, all the way to decommissioning at the end of its lifespan. So the testing that we are performing right now is very comprehensive in nature, and with the results from these tests that basically already indicate that our power production is right where we expect it to be. With those results, we are confident to take the next step beyond that, which is designing and building a prototype to be tested in the open ocean.